First lay eyes on the 2026 Tesla Model Y, the design immediately grabs your attention. Sleek, aerodynamic lines sweep from the front to the back, giving it a futuristic, almost spaceship-like vibe, yet it still feels approachable as a family SUV. The front fascia is clean and minimal, with no traditional grille, and the LED headlights are sharper and more expressive than ever, giving it a look that's unmistakably Tesla. The rear is just as striking, with a subtle spoiler integrated into the liftgate and a diffuser-like lower bumper that hints at performance. Step inside, and you're greeted with Tesla's signature minimalist interior. The expansive panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with natural light, creating a sense of openness that's rare in SUVs. The 17-inch central touchscreen dominates the dashboard, and everything from navigation to climate control and media is managed from this single interface. It might look simple, but under the surface, it's incredibly capable and intuitive, supporting Tesla's latest software updates, which now include advanced AI-assisted driving features and even smarter route. Planning seating is comfortable and spacious, with room for 5 adults and optional third-row seats for kids or occasional passengers. Materials have been upgraded for 2026, giving the cabin a more premium feel. With soft-touch surfaces, sustainable vegan leather, and optional wood or carbon fiber trims, the cargo space is generous, with both front and rear trunks adding to its utility for families or road trips. Performance-wise, the 2026 Model Y continues Tesla's tradition of impressive acceleration and range. The dual-motor all-wheel drive version rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.5 seconds, while the long-range version offers a mind-blowing estimated range of over 350 miles on a single charge. Handling is precise for an SUV, thanks to a low center of gravity, active suspension improvements, and responsive steering that makes it surprisingly fun to drive on twisty roads. Tesla's regenerative braking system has also been fine-tuned, giving a smoother, more natural feel, while helping maximize efficiency. Technology is where the Model Y really shines. The 2026 model introduces Tesla Vision, a camera-based driver assistance system, along with full self-driving features that are progressively improving. Advanced safety systems like automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane-keeping assistance are all standard, making it one of the safest SUVs in its class. The software ecosystem also allows over-the-air updates, meaning your Model Y gets smarter over time without ever visiting a service center. Charging is easier than ever, thanks to Tesla's extensive supercharger network. The 2026 Model Y supports faster DC fast charging, adding hundreds of miles in just a short stop, and home charging remains simple with Tesla's wall connector or standard outlets. Energy efficiency is remarkable, making it cost-effective to run compared to traditional gas-powered SUVs. The exterior also offers customization with new wheel designs, paint colors, and even aero kits that improve both style and range. Every angle has been refined for efficiency and aesthetics, while the optional performance package pushes it closer to a sports SUV without sacrificing practicality. In short, the 2026 Tesla Model Y is a perfect blend of innovation, performance, and everyday usability. It's not just an electric SUV, it's a glimpse into the future of driving. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or simply enjoying the tech-packed cabin, the Model Y delivers a driving experience that's exciting, safe, and remarkably efficient. For anyone considering an electric SUV in 2026, this car checks nearly every box, combining Tesla's cutting-edge technology with the practicality of a family-friendly vehicle.